So, hello everyone, this is one more interesting video related with remote sensing questions that came in GATE 2025 exam. So, I'm going to explain these questions. One question I will explain, and this question you will answer. Okay, because this question, both the question came in the same year. Okay, so this question you will explanation of this question you will get in this itself. Okay, in this all. Okay. So, apart from this, if you have any query, you can ask me directly and ask questions from where you are learning. Okay, there also, and try to discuss with your friends so that they can also get benefits. Okay, so now let me explain these questions. So now in this question, they are asking this question is related with the remote sensing. Okay, so before explaining this question we should know these two terms. One is linear contrast stretching and one is this pixel. And what is the dn value, why we are using dn value. Okay, but before that we have to understand that what is raster versus vector. What is the main difference between two? Raster is an image which is in the form of grids. Okay, and these grids will represent that one single grid is pixel. Okay, and in vector we are using point, line, polygons like this. Okay, and in this we will lose our quality. Okay, in raster image if we will zoom it out now, we'll lose our quality. Okay, but in this we will not lose our quality. Okay, raster images are our photographs. Okay, and these are our maps, vectors are our maps. Okay, like topographic maps like that. So in this, in raster we are editing only these pixels. Okay, modifying our pixel, and it is one of the type is linear contrast stretching. Okay, LCS. Okay, and in this we will modify but line, point and polygons. Okay, so now what is this linear contrast stretching? In linear contrast stretching, these are the pixel values now. We are rearranging this pixel value. Okay, there is one formula, using that we will rearranging this pixel value to modify our image. Okay, to enhance our image, basically for enhancing image. Okay, enhance image. Okay, because sometime in an image there is no sharp, we are unable to distinguish between the two things now, because pixel values are very nearby. Okay, to distinguish those features we enhance some feature. Okay, some values. Okay, up to this we are enhancing. Okay, so new value will come and accordingly the color of the that image is also get changed. Okay, okay, and we call this number as a dn value. Okay, and in this question 8-bit display system is using. Okay, so 8-bit means 2 to the raised power 8. So it will come 2 into 2 into 2 into. Okay, 256. Okay, this question I have already mentioned one question. That question answer will come from this. Okay, just focus on this point. Okay, so now this is the values. Okay, for 8 bit. Okay, so now our image is 8 bit. Okay, so now our values ranges from where to where? From 0 to 255. Okay, total is count 0 as the 1. Okay, from 0 1 2. Okay, so it will come to 56. Okay, so our value started from 0 to 256. Okay, and 0 will represent what? Black, and this 255 higher value will represent what? White color to the image. Okay, okay, so hope you from this you will answer that question. Okay, so now we will find what we have to find out. So now coming back to our question. Now they have marked one question over here. Okay, we have to calculate this dn value from this. Okay, after enhancing the image by linear contrast stretching, what is going to this is 60 right now. Now what is the value after using this editing method? Okay, so now for that we have one formula. Okay, to calculate this we have one formula. dn value of b is equal to dn value of a minus dn value minimum divided by dn value max minus dn value minimum into 255, because it is this 255 value. Okay, for 8 bit. Okay, now this is the formula. Okay, so now what is this dn value? Dn value b means this we are calculating now. So what is okay, now one more thing is that what is the lowest value here? Minimum value, it is 30, and maximum value is this is our maximum value. Okay, okay, now so now for calculating this question mark pixel, consider this as a same this one. Okay, we will put here. Okay, this dn value for this. Okay, 60 minus 30 divided by 180 minus 30 into 255. Okay, we will get 30 by 150 into 255. 3 5 and this will come 5 and 1. So our answer is 51. Okay, so we are transfer our image, okay, from this pixel to this pixel. Okay, in a similar way all the values are getting changed. Okay, so hope you learned something from this video and try to answer the other question using this. Okay, so now if you have any query and anything that you want to ask, you can ask me. Okay, and ask from other also from where you are learning. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. Thank you.